Welcome to GMAT Integrated Reasoning Part 1. In Integrated Reasoning, this year, there are 12 questions, to be answered in 30 minutes, an average of 2 minutes and 30 seconds to answer each questions. This IR is introduced in June 2012. One of the two essay is replaced by Integrated Reasoning section. There is a separate score for this section. Immediately after essay question, this Integrated Reasoning section starts. There are 4 sections in the Integrated Reasoning section, or IR section. First one is multi-source reasoning, second is table analysis, third is graphics interpretation, and the fourth is two-part analysis. We are going to see two-part analysis in details. In two-part analysis, the question presents a situation, or a problem, or a scenario, and asks to make two choices of related information. These choices are connected to each other in some way. Together they make right or wrong choices, but independently we can't judge they are wrong or right. Once they are combined together, we can say that they are right or wrong. In Integrated Reasoning section, an on-screen calculator is provided. You can click the blue bar at the upper left corner of the screen, then the calculator appears, and that calculator can be moved anywhere on the screen. The question has 3 parts. First part explains the situation, or explain the problem. The second part of the question asks to find 2 values. In the third part, the various choices for the answer given. Here, in this question, top part explain the situation of the problem, or explanation of the situation. Let us see the first example, here. This is the question. These are the choices for the first part. These are the choices for the second part. These are the possible values of the choices. These values are common to both first part and the second part. This the first part, and this is the second part. Let us solve this problem. Here 32 players are there. They play chess-like game. Each game is played by 2 players. At the end of the play, those who lost the play, eliminated. And the winner moves to the next round. In each round half of the players are eliminated. As there are 32 players, first, 16 games are played. In those 16 games, 16 players lose the game and are eliminated, so the player left is 16. After the first round, number of players left is 16, so these 16 players will play next round, that is second round. As there are 16 players, 8 games are played, so after second round another 8 players are eliminated, so at the end of second round, 8 players left. In similar way, in third round, 4 player eliminated and only 4 player left. At the end of fourth round, only 2 player left. At the end of fifth round only 1 player left, and he is the winner. Now the question is, to find the particular round, and to find the number of players left at the end of that particular round. The rounds are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is first round, second round, third round, fourth round and fifth round. So for the first choice, we have 5 options. They are first, second, third, fourth and fifth. After the fifth round there is no play. For the second choice, we have 5 options. They are 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. But what are the choices given? We will see those choices first. Here the choices are 1, 2, 4, 6, and 12. The 5 choices are like this, but we know, after the first round, 16 players left. After the second round, 8 players left. After the third round, 4 players left. After the fourth round, 2 players left. After the 5th round, only one player's left, so for the first choice, this choice, we have to choose among those values from the 5 values. One of the values should be selected, but 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, so 1 or 2 or 4 is only choice we have. But if we choose 1, for choice 1B we have to choose 16, but 16 is not there, so we can't choose 1. Also we can't choose 2. Since 8 is not there, 4 mean 2. Yes, 2 is there. This will be the correct answer, for 1A. 4, this is, and 1B answer is 2. We have to choose the answer this way. Let us go to the second example. Circumference of a rectangle is 12 meter. What is the question? Find the length of the smaller side in meter and the area of the rectangle in square meter. You have to find 2 values. One is side. There are 2 sides. It is the smaller side. And second one is area of the rectangle. Choices are given. The values for those choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How to solve this? Here circumference of the rectangle is 12 meter. So what is the formula for circumference? Circumference is twice the sum of its length and width. It is given as 12, so twice the sum of its width and length is 12. Hence sum of its length and width is 6. That is half of the circumference. Let me assume one side is A and another side is B. A plus B multiplied by 2 is 12. This implies A plus B is equal to 6. So the possible values of the sides are 5 and 1, 4 and 2, 3 and 3, and then it will be repeated. 2, 4, and 1, 5. Last 2 are redundant. Side 5 and 1, and 1 and 5 are same, so we need not consider 1 and 5. Similarly, we need not consider 2 and 4 also. So here the sides are 5 and 1, or 4 and 2, or 3 and 3. What is the area then? 5 into 1 is 5. If sides are 5 and 1, then area is 5. If sides are 4 and 2, then area will be 8 only. If sides are 3 and 3, then area should be 9 only. It asks for smaller side. Smaller side is 1, then the area is 5. Smaller side is 1, then the area is 5. Of course both sides are equal, that is 3. 3 means area is 9. These are the possible choices. 1, 2, 3 for first part. 5, 8, 9 for the second part. Let us see what our answers match. So the value of the answer are given. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But we know when the smaller side is 1, area is 5. When 2 the area is 8. When 3 the area is 9, so 1 and 5 are there. When 1 is the smallest side, 5 is the area. Both 1 and 5 are there in the choice. So the answer is 1 and 5. What about 2 and 8? 2 is there, 8 is not there. 3 is there, 9 is not there. So for 2A is the answer and for 2B is the answer. There is another interesting problem. Solving the equations. Solve the following equation. There are 3 simultaneous equations in 3 variables, x, y and z. X plus y plus x, y equals 5. Y plus z equals 11. Z plus x equals 7. The question is find the value of x and z. Only we have to find x and z and not y. But anyway, we have to solve this equation to find the answers. Now consider the solution: x equals 1, y equals 2 and z equals 3. Substitute these x, y, z values in the first equation. 1 plus 2 and plus 1, 2 is 5, that is correct. Y plus z plus z equals to 5 and yz equals to 6, the sum is 11. Yes, it's correct. Now the third equation, z plus x is 4 and zx is 3. The total is 7. That is correct. These values satisfies all the 3 equations. So 1, 2 and 3 is a solution for the equations. So let us check the answer. For x, 1 is not there, but for z, 3 is there. 1 and 3 should be there, so this not the solution that they expected. So what are the other solution? If you solve equations completely, you will get the second solution. X equals -3, y equals -4 and z equals -5. This the second set of answer values. Here x equals to -3, y equals to -4 and z equals to -5. But they want x and z. That is -3 and -5. Yes, -3 and -5 are there in choice table. X equals -3 is the answer for 3A. Z equals -5 is the answer for 3B. Thank you.